school.
Here we go, guys! Thunderstorm!
I'm talking.
Hunter, please hold on to that. If you drop that here, it will break.
Candlelight dinners will have me eating out of your hand. When you get home from work, I'll be at the front door wearing only what nature gave me. Call 404-555-1212 and ask for Daisy. Over 1,500 men found themselves talking to the Atlanta Humane Society about an 8-week-old black Labrador Retriever.
Dude, they're gay, they're not even caring.
Well, this still guy's still working.
Yeah.
I missed that! I would have got that on video.
Here's a tip. How to keep brownies fresh. Eat them all in one sitting.
That's it. Because they get hard quickly.
This is the thunderstorm, guys.
Brownies.
Here's a nice Florida meme. According to this, you should be going to hell. But since you lived in Florida, we are going to consider the time served.
But it's beautiful here in January, February.
It was, yeah.
I'm learning a foreign language. I can now say hi in Mandarin.
Oh boy. Man, I
You
might
shared
as well
this
cut that on
one.
video.
You like this one? And man boards a plane with 6 kids.
Yeah, I was just thinking about that one.
After he gets shoved into the seat, a woman sitting across the aisle leans over to him and asks, "Are all those your kids?
Whoa!
Kid yours?"
Okay,
Everybody's,
cut that
"No, I
video.
work for a condom company."
Alright,
These are
guys.
customer complaints.
Storm!
I told you.
I saw that one fade out! Oh my god! It's all around us. There's one over there and over there and over
You
there.
know it's hot when your mailbox gives up.
Woo!
Here you go. Got the spider.
Ooh! I got that one video. Oh, that's gonna be a good video over here, folks. This is all red, guys. It's all
And
red.
all the rain that we got up in the metro area. Meanwhile, in the metro area,
What? What? Oh, I got that one. There was one over there that faded out.
light travels faster than sound. This is why some people appear bright until you hear them speak.
I
Oh!
like that thing Dad showed me. I kept the light on for you.
Yeah.
That was beautiful.
Friendly reminder, these are not intended to be used for competitive purposes.
I can't even hold on.
Strong winds sent beachgoers scrambling as violent storms hit central Italy.
Yeah.
This is a few days ago.
All over the world.
Yeah.
Those clouds don't look too good over there.
They might have their first victim here. Nice, standing straight up there. Will you freaking kidding me?
This could be lightning that strike him.
There's a sign outside in front of someone's house. House for sale by owner because my neighbor's an asshole. Whoa!
Hunter, stop playing with the door.
This is sign.
Yeah. I seen that. Some of them I pass on, some of them I don't.
It's very still out.
Yeah.
A very still moving storm. I got that one on video. I got that on tape!
Oh look, he got a toy with his Happy Meal.
Yeah.
What, can I see? Wow.
Quick and easy guide to 6-pack abs.
Ooh! That was very bright.
This is intelligent. When you don't want people to eat your food. Intelligent.
I don't know what he's doing.
Looks like mold, but someone colored it.
Oh,
They
okay.
put the sandwich in and it looks like it's all moldy. So they don't know that.
I don't know
Dad, am I getting these storms are getting very violent.
The best murder weapon would be a Tupperware lid because nobody would ever be able to find it.
Dad, this is a supercell right here because I actually kind of see it wrapping around. I see it wrapping around. This is my first time seeing a supercell. So, yeah, there's a funnel down. There's a funnel.
You know those Roombas? A guy's Roomba runs over a dog poo, spreads it all over the house.
Yeah, I seen that. So.
Tornado!
Stop it, no.
I'm being serious over there! Tornado!
Hunter, stop saying that.
Hey, Hunter,
I'm being serious!
stop yelling.
There's a
People are going to actually think you're serious, and when they look, they're not going to be happy. So you got to keep quiet.
Look, over there, you see that little thing? I do.
I just spent 10 minutes looking for the ham sandwich I just made. I was starting to think I dreamed making a sandwich.
Put it back in the put it back in the bag.
Close the door.
I just did.
Leave it alone. Now it's
That's
over
really
here.
rumbling, huh?
Yeah, it's really coming in. There's actually a funnel over there.
No, there's not.
Wow. Well, we have real ugly looking skies.
And this is what happens, and then we don't even get a drop of rain.
Ooh.
These don't even look like they're moving, do they?
Mom, you gotta see this here.
Nah.
It just lightning's all over the place.
Isn't this pretty,
I
Dad?
remember the name of that town that got 3,000 strikes in 1 hour. Can you imagine? That had to be constantly enlightened.
Yeah.
I see something fading out in the distance. It is a funnel. There's a tornado that just saw
You're a
out.
funnel.
Hey, you Ruby. Did that one circle around, Dad? Did that circle? Wasn't that a circle?
That's from sweating.
Whoa.
I think your mind's in circles.
Very bold.
Hey. Gramps.
Grimps.
I'm gonna get another beer.
You know where they
Excuse
are.
Scoozy.
Look out,
Wait, no.
Be Scoozy.
I need to do this. Because this is better.
Close the door.
You!
Close the door.
Thunder. There's Daddy in the distance over there. Let's be storm chasers. Let's chase the
You
storm.
would like that probably. Happier.
Yeah, I would love to.
Whoa.
Ooh, oh, that's gonna be loud. That's gonna be a loud one. Did my tablet staying at 8%?
8?
Yes, staying there.
You're gonna charge me.
It's staying. Like, it's been at 8% for about 10 minutes now. Dad, there were 2 bolts just over there.
There's a whole bunch of hangers in the closet, so you should hang up all your shirts.
Ooh.
You know?
Over there.
Let's see something.
Dad, no.
He's all right. He's fine.
Dad, no, Dad.
You'll be fine. Don't worry about it.
Daddy, don't do it.
It looks so weird over here. I see it gets brown too. I'm like, I don't know.
It gets all colors here, Joe.
Wow.
Be careful, Hunter.
Why? I will be careful.
Hunter, relax your mouth, will you? Or you go back inside.
Dad, can you do this for me?
You can do it.
It's coming forward. It's coming toward us as well, which is quite weird. The lightning is constant. I see something over there.
There's nothing over there.
See? Ooh.
Really?
Dad, look, it's going that way.
Now it's all getting that.
No, it's coming this way.
It's coming in from the south.
Now it's getting dark.
Oh boy, what time is it? Guys, what time is it?
Time to get a watch.
7:30.
Whoa, you got it. I know you got that bolt.
Really? How do you know?
Whoa.
Oh, I got that. I got 2 of them. Dude.
I can tell you right now, it is pouring rain over here.
Yeah, I could tell. There's a rain current coming this way. There's a definite rain current coming this way. Good tablet. Like, it's been recording for about 10 minutes now. All that you see is constant lightning bolts. Okay. Dad, what do you think about the storm? Isn't the storm pretty? Dad, isn't this storm beautiful?
Yeah.
So beautiful. Woo! Okay, that's gonna be loud. That's gonna be quite loud. I just know it. Dad, I would rather come inside because I know there's about to be
You
a
go
bolt.
inside. I'll be in a minute.
No. I have a bad feeling about this. Come in.
Here, come, honey. Come on.
Get inside.
I'm afraid that you're gonna get struck.
I'm fine.
Really? Good luck.
Just hold in a V and you're safe. Whoa.
That was beautiful. I got that on tape. Hear the thunder?
Sounds very close now.
It's coming this way.
Yeah, we're about to have some pretty loud discharges coming in.
Let's only on the door.
Whoa. That was crackle. That was a crack. I know
There's the
there's
sun
about to
out
be-
back there.
What?
You got the sun out there showing.
And then over here you have
Yeah.
and then over here you have the action. Dad, isn't this storm pretty active? We're so active. Whoa!
Come in and stay in.
Nah, I'm going. I'm staying.
Are you listening going? Yeah, you can.
Ooh. I think we got that one over there. Yeah, Supercell thunderstorm. Oh, I got that one on video. That was flickering like kaboom, boom, 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 boom. These people over there, they're not even care. They don't care like it's not even here.
Hey, leave it.
Look, Dad, I see something coming in from the cloud. Look. See, that's connecting.
And then you can tell.
See, look, it's coming down. I think we're about to have a tornado warning.
No, we're not.
You never know. Dad, come in.
You go in. I'm fine.
No, I'm not taking a risk.
You got that on tape.
Yeah, I got that one. That's 100% tape right there. But it probably did not do a good job because it's so bright. Woo! I'm just waiting for a lightning bolt to strike that little thing over there, up there. I'm just waiting for that to happen. I'm waiting. Come on, do it, Mother Nature. Do it. Dad, look how fast it's moving.
It's not moving that fast.
But over here,
It's just about overhead now.
yeah. All right, we're about to have some rain. If the Alexa